Hello everyone, this is a video review of Usagi Yojimbo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. As you can see here, we have Usagi Yojimbo standing in an awesome pose. He is wielding his wakizashi in his right hand, and in his left hand he is holding his naginata. Before I get into the figure itself, I would like to show off the original box, the box art, and the weapons. Here we go. From left to right, we have original box art, ages 4 and up. This was an unpunched card. I should have kept them in box, but Usagi is one of my all-time favorites, so I had to get him out of the box. Here's his portrait. At the back of the box, we have the original story from the comics. And the retro mutagen ooze. I would like to possess some empty canisters as well as some turtles. I really don't care for the ooze because I have the original recipe that Playmates have used in the past. And I'm practically using water bottles to store the ooze. So if I can get some empty cans as well as some turtles, that would be real cool. Here you go. The original cast. His weapons close up. The hair-raising details of Usagi Yojimbo. The naginata, wakizashi, tanto, katana, and his wacky weapons rack. I don't know too much about his weapons being wacky, but that rack right there is very wacky because, excuse me, you have trouble storing the weapons on that as well as making it stand. So that's very wacky. This is something I noticed that Playmates doesn't do anymore. Have the little stories on here that make you chuckle. And the original pizza point. Okay, enough stalling. Usagi is already wielding 2 of his weapons. So here is his katana and his tanto. And this weapon wasn't introduced. This is somewhat of a dagger slash kunai. This can be used with Raphael's storage compartment. It fits snug in the back of his shell. And now the wacky weapons rack. Let's see, can I make them stand? See, can I make it stand? No. Here we go again. Yay! Now here's the hard part. Letting it hold a weapon. Oh. Ta-da! Oh, forget about it. Anyway, on to the figure itself. Move the weapons out of the way. The articulation are as follows. The head turns a full 360 degrees, as well as the arms from the shoulder and the forearms. The legs will do the same. And on the back, we have the original stamp by Stan Sakai, copyright 1989. Can't see it too well, but looking at Usagi's ass. And every Ninja Turtle figure possessed a hole either at the bottom of the left or right foot because they made play sets that were very gnarly. You can place the figure right on their surfboards or party wagons, etc., and the figure wouldn't move because it would be a peg on the playset that would go inside of that hole in the foot. But there you have it. I really don't have to go over the color scheme, but who cares? This is a royal blue for the armor. This should have been painted black to match his black belt. Yellow and red on the tips of his armor. Black slippers, flip-flops, whatever you want to call them. And a gold kind of like rope that holds a samurai hat, but no samurai hat. Oh well. But that's about it. Usagi Yojimbo in a nutshell. Thank you all for tuning in once again to another toy review. Take care and goodbye.